Wenzhou Haihang Machinery Company is one of the leading company of disposable packaging equipment industry in China. With more than 10 years of experience, we have provided professional packing solution for factories and companies from more than 50 companies. Our company is a comprehensive company, integrating development, production, and sales, so that customers are more worry-free and labor-saving. In order to create more economic benefits and provide one-step service, we have collected all the knowledge and resources to provide customers with complete solutions for the disposable tableware packaging industry in our field, including automatic packaging machines for disposable tableware, disposable cup packaging machines, disposable straw packaging machines. We have obtained more than 20 patents and 4 invention patents. We have passed the ISO 9001-2008 Quality Certification System and CE Safety Certification System. With rich technology, past experience, and financial resources, we attach great importance to the development of new products. We are determined to walk in the forefront of the industry and market, continuous innovation and progress, to solve the pain points in the production process for customers, and achieve a win-win situation. We attach great importance to basic management and stable quality. We have a professional sales and after-sales team, 24 hours to provide customers with consultation and problem-solving services. We look forward to cooperating with new and old customers at home and abroad.